Hey guys, today I'll be introducing the pets. Well, the dogs. Cat, we've got one cat, two dogs. I'll be introducing the cat in another video. I just thought, different species, different video. Anyway, first of all, I would like you to meet Shads. Come here. Come on. Come here, Shadow. Hey baby, come here. This is Shads, the dog. German Shepherd crossed with Collie. You got my cheek. Look, Shad, sit down. Pain, as you can see. Look, look. Shadow Knight. Shedrick Doodleburger the third. We like to call those a nickname. And second dog. Don't know what species. Don't know what breed she is. Shadow's age 3 or 4, and Princess is the next one, aged 11. Princess, tiny little one, so I'm going to have to pick her up. Come here. Aged 11. So, very, very delicate, aren't you? Yeah, very delicate. My name's Princess. I like to sleep all day. It's true, she does. So, yeah, that's been the video with pets. Maybe we'll get to see more videos with pets in future. And we'll all say goodbye together, shall we? Yeah? So, 3, 2. Shads, come here. Come on. Come here. Shads, come here. Come here. Ready? Sit. 3, 2, 1. Bye. Bye, guys.